What's up guys, it's the Brick Public back here again with another video. Today I'm showing you how to upgrade your LEGO 187th Clone Troopers. Just got the set. I'm going to be using the normal Phase 2, not the Airborne Trooper. I might make a second video for the Airborne Trooper if you guys want me to, but we're just doing these guys. So let's get started with the first upgrade. So these are the pieces you're going to need for the first figure. So what you're going to want to do is take the figure apart. Head, helmet, torso, legs, until you have them all like this. Put your legs down, add this thicky bricky black waist cape. Any color will work, but purple and black are going to be the best ones to use. Add it on, just like that. Next we have a Jonak Toys heavy strap. So you just add that. Get the torso. Put it on like that. Next, we got a Clone Army Customs backpack. Add that onto the back. Add the helmet on. And then add a Clone Army Customs purple visor. And there you go. Here is the heavy trooper. I usually do a heavy trooper in these types of videos. The only things I would change if I had the pieces, I would make these arms purple arms, but I don't have any. But purple arms. Other than that, it's a pretty cool looking figure. Also, if you want to make a minigun for your figure, here is a little minigun design I made. Here are the pieces you're going to need. Take this little handle piece here, and then get a black stud, add it on. Take the stud shooter, put it on. Take this piece here, and put it on. And then add this little Technic piece here, and add it on. And there's a little minigun design. Minigun design. So just add it to your figure, turn their hands around so they look like this, add it on, and there you go. Let's start with the next figure. So these are the pieces you're going to need for the last figure. So just like the first one, take it all apart. Helmet, head, take it all apart like this. Add this waist cape, thicky bricky once again. Add it on just like that. Add the torso. Add this black cape or brown cape, whatever cape you want, but it needs to be this size. This came in the, I think, Mandalorian Battle Pack a few years back. So a cape this size is what you're going to need. Add it to the figure like that. Put it around their arm so it kind of looks like this. Add this little clip piece. Add it to the back. Little like backpack piece. Add it on just like that. Make sure it goes over the cape. It holds the cape in place. Add this backpack here. A little like a rounded tile. And this clip piece. Snap them together. And then add them to the figure. And add the helmet. And then add these macros. I got these from Lego Star Wars Shop. I think that's how you say it. Lego Star Wars Customs Shop. So I will leave a link in the description on where you can find some of these. Just add them on to the figure. They might be a little loose. Just add them on. They are very loose. just like that. And there you go. Now, this cape is sticking out a lot more than I want it to, so what you can do to fix that, grab the cape, the macros fell off, grab the cape and make it so it's kind of like this, like push it so you have this, all the cape back here, and then take this gun and connect it, and it holds all that cape in place. It holds it all in place, so it looks, well, it did. It's very difficult. It's very tricky to do. Just grab it all, like pinch it, hold it back there, grab the gun, snap the gun, and then it will look like this. It will look like this. It will look like, I don't know, like a poncho. Is that how you'd say it? And yeah, I got this design from my How to Upgrade Your 41st Elite Corps, the Jungle Troopers, and he looks pretty cool. So let's go to the outro. So there are the two figures done. I like how they came out. They look pretty nice, and they will look very nice when you add Mace Windu. Just added a brown cape, it just adds more. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It helps me out a bunch. Comment down below if you have any suggestions on what clones I should do next. Also comment if you want me to do another video for the Airborne Trooper. That's the end of the video. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.